Hello, in this tutorial we will cover how to create a new instance. Once you are logged into the CloudVega dashboard, go to the Instances page. You will see there are a number of instances currently running here. To create a new instance, click on the Launch Instance tab. At the bottom right-hand side, there is a summary of your project quotas, displaying the information on how many instances, CPUs and RAM are in use out of the total available amounts. To create a new instance, first you must choose your instance source. Select from the drop-down whether you want to load your new instance from an image or a previously created snapshot. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will launch the instance source from an image. Next, choose the image that you wish to launch from the image drop-down menu. We will choose the Ubuntu desktop image. Give the instance a name that will easily identify it in future. Next, you will need to select a flavor. As you will see, once a flavor is selected from the drop-down menu, it will be summarized on the right so that you can see exactly how many vCPUs are included, how much RAM and disk allocations. Choose the smallest flavor possible. We will select Beta 1 here. In the instance count field, you can increase the number of instances that you wish to launch. Next, you can set the access and security rules from this tab. If you have a previously created key pair, you can select it from the drop-down here. You may also import a key pair by clicking on the Add button and entering the information required. Importing a key pair is covered in more detail in the Access and Security tutorial. From this tab, you can also grant server access to particular security groups that have been previously created. If you do not change any of the information on this tab, the default security settings will be applied. We will select Test Group 1. Choosing the network on which your new instance will run is done from the Networking tab. Select the network from the list of available networks displayed by double-clicking on the network or by dragging and dropping to the selected networks area. A network can similarly be removed by double-clicking on the minus button or by dragging and dropping. An instance can be launched with varying types of attached storage. You may select from those options in this drop-down menu. You can choose to boot attached to an existing volume or from a volume snapshot, which will create a new volume. For this new instance, we will select not to boot from a volume. In the Post-Creation tab, you can customize your instance after it's launched using the options available here. The customization script field is analogous to user data in other systems. Once all of the information has been correctly entered, click Launch, and your server should be running within seconds. You will see the status here. For the next step, please go to Tutorial 6, Accessing an Instance.